Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter tech purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of desktop processors, comparing the powerful Intel Core i9-13900K and the budget-friendly AMD Ryzen 5 7600. Let's see which one stands out. First up, performance. The Intel Core i9-13900K is a powerhouse with 24 cores and 32 threads, reaching speeds up to 5.8 GHz. Reviewers rave about its exceptional performance, especially in gaming and productivity tasks. On the flip side, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 offers 6 cores at 3.80 GHz. While it may not match the Intel in raw power, users appreciate its solid performance for gaming and everyday tasks, making it a great value for the price. Next, let's talk about integrated graphics. The Intel i9 features Intel UHD graphics 770, which is good enough for basic tasks but won't replace a dedicated GPU. According to reviews, it's a nice-to-have feature, but not essential for gamers. The Ryzen 5 7600 comes with AMD Radeon graphics, providing a bit more oomph. Users find it adequate for light gaming and multimedia tasks, though serious gamers will still need a dedicated graphics card. Moving on to cache memory, the Intel Core i9-13900K boasts a whopping 36 megabytes of cache. This large cache size helps in speeding up data retrieval, making it ideal for heavy multitasking and demanding applications. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600, with its 32 megabytes of L3 cache, is no slouch either. It's praised for its efficiency and ability to handle most tasks smoothly, though it falls slightly short of the Intel in this department. Now, let's discuss compatibility. The Intel i9-13900K works with Intel 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards, but a BIOS update might be required. Reviewers find this a minor inconvenience for the performance gains it offers. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600 uses the AM5 socket, which is praised for its straightforward and hassle-free installation. Users appreciate the simplicity and ease of setup, making it a favorite among DIY builders. Overall, reviewers highlight the Intel Core i9-13900K for its top-tier performance, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and professionals. However, it comes with a high price tag and can run hot. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is lauded for its excellent price-to-performance ratio, ease of installation, and solid gaming performance, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for top-tier performance and have the cash to burn, the Intel Core i9-13900K is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and need something reliable that gets the job done, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is your best bet. Let us know in the comments which processor you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons. Product links are in the description. See you in the next video.